Hi, welcome to Data Analysis with SQL. We will continue with our hands-on on logic, and we will see what our hands-on on logic statements and conditions, the and, the or, and the not. Before then, I will run to see our entire table, and so I will want to select player ID, column player ID, first name, from our players table, where I want to use the and operator here. So where our last name is equal to Oiga, and rating is equal to 90. So I'll highlight and I'll run, you see, because it's only one return that we'll get, where we have player ID is 1 and first name is Nicholas. So the condition with Hoega and rating 90. Now, if I say where rating is 88, it won't return nothing. Let's watch. To return nothing because the person with the last name Hoega, we do not have anyone with this last name and a rating of 88. But we can go ahead and say an or. We can use or. We can use or, and then it will return everyone who is bearing, if there are more than one person, and if there are more than one person with this rating. So if I use my or, you see we have two individual. We have player ID 1 and player ID 2 for the or. So the or combines both the last name and the rating. While the not, you recall, not rating is this. So every rating that is not 88 will be returned. That is what the not operator does. So I want us to look at alias quickly and see how we can use alias. I'll put this, yes, I'll comment it, and then I'll comment our alias. Now, the alias, we can use alias on columns, and we can also use alias on our tables. So what do we want to do? I want to select alias on a column now. I want to select player ID. I'll say as player ID. And then I want to select first name as F name from our players table. So let's see. Now what this thing does is that you see here we return player ID and first name, but instead of having our player ID and first name, the player ID we return PID, P underscore ID, while the first name we return F underscore name. Let's see how it works. You see we have P underscore ID, F underscore name. That is how the alias operator works on our columns. So I want to go on ahead and I will we will select team as TM. Then we'll have rating as RT from players table, from our players table, and then see what it will return. Remember to always close with a semicolon. You see, TM is the team, and then TR as TR. So this is another way. I want to use a concatenation to return our first and last name joined together. So I want to bring our first and last name together by concatenating them. So I'll say select first name. I want to concatenate, so I'll use the pipe operator. Use the pipe operator as last name, bring in last name, and then as our full name from our table players table. See what it does return. To return a single column with the concatenated names. You see full name. So the name we're formerly having only first name in a different column, last name in a different column, but we now have our full name in one single column, bringing together our first name and the last name. So this is how we use our um, aliases on our columns in order for us to uh, work on our data. And this is a high level in order for us to work on our data. Yes. And this goes a long way to help us in getting out the information and or structuring information the best way we will want our information to come out. So we'll stop here and continue again. Thank you.